And we've been making up stories in our kitchen. Where are we up to?
Well, we're going back in time to before Pirate and Parrot met. And before Pirate and Parrot met, they weren't together, obviously.
Mm-hmm. And Parrot is busy running away from the salty dog, which is captained by the baddie, Captain Polka Dot Pip. But she's not alone on her raft.
She's not alone at all, because she's got with her Polly, the useless parakeet.
Somewhere over here. Here he is. Arr! Oi! You're all that bird on an altar now. Right. Now, I know we be on this map somewhere. And I am certain it be a blue bit. But it is which blue bit, which is the part what foxes made. Is it this blue bit? Or this blue bit? We haven't seen this here ship for a long while. Speak! Use your words. He might be an exotic bird, but you ain't much use. Can't even catch fish for our tea. You don't pull your weight, Polly. Looks like I'll have to go fishing for the both of us, lest we starve to death. Fishy, 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 fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Look who brought home the bacon, Polly. Oh, nice, sweet, juicy fish. Jeremy Timbers, it tastes like an old sock. There'll be no more fish in this sea if I don't get a bite to eat tomorrow. I'll have to eat you! You traitor! You scurvy dog! Son of a biscuit eater! So here I am, all alone on the non-Pacific Ocean. Shipmates, the days keep passing me by. Now, the worst thing that could happen has happened. There be no motion in the ocean. The wind has stopped a-blowing. And I am left a-drifting, floating aimlessly upon a watery grave, me eyes, to be sure. Where's me grog? That which I hid from Polly, so as I wouldn't have to share it with her. Here it is. Finest Caribbean rum, to be sure. All for me grog, me jolly, jolly grog. Polly, put the kettle on. Polly, put the kettle on. Polly's gone. Pixie gone. All of Pythagoras is theorem. That's what a solitary sailor needs. Oh, are you calling a solitary sailor? 'Tis I, Cutlass Kate. And why is my name in your mouth? Why is my name in your mouth? You trying to start something? Are you trying to start something? Want to take it outside? Do you want to take it outside? Well, I would, but all we've got is a whole lot of outside. Oh. I've got to get up. Mother, can you hear me, Mother? Are you here to take me to Davy Jones's locker, Mother? Starfish, starfish in the sea. Can you tell me where I be? Am I sailing east or west? Come on, starfish, do your best. Starfish, starfish in the sea. Can you tell me where I be? Was that starfish? I can use the stars to find my way. That's brilliant. Why didn't I think of that? Looky here, shipmates. It's the North Star.
The North Star, that's me, is in the constellation of Ursa Minor. It appears static as the Earth rotates because it lies above the North Pole. If you're heading towards the North Star, that's me, you are generally heading due north.
Hoist the flag! Oh, and keep the North Star in me sights. Now to sleep, perchance to dream.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I can show you where you are. I can keep you safe at sea. All you gotta do is follow me. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I can show you where you are.
Where am I? Silly. Wait. I see something, shipmates. An island! The old sea dog's still got it in her yet. Avast ye, shipmates, land ahoy! Well, blow me down and walk the plank. Heave-ho, we're headed for land.
Pirate small and a parrot so tall. He is clever and she is mean. The stories are told of a fortune in gold, so they sail